So begins my annual ascent of Inspiration Peak in celebration of my 2019 Appalachian Trail through hike. 3 years ago today, Audrey and I began our trek with her sister Alethea at the beginning, and ever since then it kind of so happened I would come here to Inspiration Peak in Minnesota and do this little quarter mile. It's kind of the tallest thing. It's pretty close. I can just run over here after work and do a little hike. So this year we're snow covered. See you up there. Inspiration Peak, March 31st, 2022. 3 years since we started on Springer Mountain. This is where I really hope I don't biff it going downhill, because there were a few times I slipped just a little bit going uphill. You can feel like underneath, it's not the asphalt as it normally is, it's ice. There's quite a good bit of ice still under there, and I'd like to not fall. That would be preferable. Whew. Snow's fun because when you have kind of bumpy sections like this just was, and down, you can't see what's underneath. So every step is like, is there going to be anything under this snow? Am I just gonna like fall straight through it? Probably not. Everything's pretty icy now, but whoa. Still, you put your foot down, nope. There's a branch. You can't see it. So you're kind of just stumbling your way through. There's a life lesson in there somewhere. Probably.